Good evening and welcome back. So, I closed the project, the editor. I opened it up again. The map didn't load, was corrupted. I used an autosave to get the map back. And I hope this works. Another thing I did, I started using version control locally because I don't have server system and stuff like that. And I hope that this works. If I save everything, then commit it. I'm not sure what the problem is with the fact that the map is always breaking. Not sure. But let's continue working on this damn blueprint here. Because I'm at the point where I'm saying, okay, if I can't get this to work, I'm ditching it, but I'm still giving it one more day. So let's give this a bit more and just add in the frames here. And maybe figure out a way to add stairs to this. And then kind of place them around here. Because, whoops, I want to use them for replacement for these houses here so that I can go in and change a few parameters and then be done with it. That's the idea. And I think I'm close, but not really 100%ly done yet. So let's have a look at this. So setting up frames. I could do it the same way I'm doing the roofs. I'm just trying to figure out what my dimensions are and select the right mesh. But the problem is that it would end the same way as our roof problem, because if we go here and change the roof, it goes up to 5 and then we don't have roofs anymore. So that's something I need to figure out, how to get the roofs working there. So let's have a look at our blueprint. And sorry for the dropped frames or possible problems in viewing the stream. Not sure what's happening there. So here we are. reset the roof. Oh, okay. Yeah, here I think I need to work on this, fix that. The first thing we need to change is the way we kind of load in the pieces here. Because I need to expand on the roof selection here, and depending on what kind of house type we are using, we have different roofs. The other thing we would need to do in here is yeah, we need to get the house type, because at the moment I'm not setting this to anything, because the house type I can change for each element, and not sure if I think I need to add a different parameter for that, for the roof. Yeah, let's do that. Let's add another variable in here. And that will be the roof type. Which would be house type. And this would be editable and exposed. Which means we have this here and can use it for the creation of our roof. Okay, so at the moment doesn't do anything special because we haven't set it up yet. So let's go in here and set this up. And for that, we need to set this up differently. Let's break this and then connect it here. And let's go into our table and change that. Because in here we don't need to use all these here anymore. We can use this, what I wanted to use it for in the first place. So it should be a roof selection table and not used to select different walls and stuff like that. So that we can change that. And we also need to, I just noticed we need to add in the different parts here. So the farm wall, let's set that up first before we do anything on the roof, so that we can change those and see the difference there. And farm, I think I used wood. So do wood one base. Farm square door. And then we use the square door here. Door. Take this one. Farm small window. That would be this one. The medium window is down here. Now we have these set up, and let's go into our set walls and set wall types. And here we need to add medium window, small window. So let's take this, duplicate that, duplicate it again, and connect those. Let's remove those two. Okay, those are set up. And now we need to do the same for the farm. And I think I want to, oh, also need to set up the transform here. Yeah, the problem is we can't really collapse that to a function because we are using different pieces here. Even though we can do something different here. Let's see. If we do a select, no, that doesn't. Yeah, it could work. Let's see. Let's try this. Yeah, we could do that. Make this a bit easier to read. So we can remove these. Just have this one here. And connect that. And then we can copy this. Yep, remove those. And let's use the round tool here. Big window, medium window, and small window. Okay. So we could go in here, take some of our walls, and let's take this one here and change it to farm if we want to. And then we get the farm mesh here. And if we had done this with the first one, we'll change both of them. Okay, I'll be right back. Need to take a small break, and then we will continue working on this. let's continue working on this. So the farm elements or the wooden walls are set up. So let's see, what else do we need? Let's have a look in here. What did I use for this? Okay, I called it wood and stone. Okay. So, like I said, these we don't need in here anymore. So we can basically delete those. Because we are doing them differently. Okay. But we need to add stuff to this for the roofs in a moment. Let's just save this. And it crashed. Wait, did it crash on load? Yeah, it looks like it crashed. And try to load this up. Why? Why is it doing that? Stupid thing. I'm not sure if I want to install this. I hate this. Let's delete these files. Try to load this up again. Okay, it looks like my project is completely broken now. Awesome. Yay. This morning I had a few problems with not loading up the maps correctly, and now it's completely broken. Even though I set up source control and stuff like that, but it doesn't look like it's wants to load up again. Why? Okay, so doesn't really matter if we install that or not. Maybe it recovers it, not sure. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a problem overall. I need to clean up there. So, yeah, as a result of this not starting, I don't know what to show you, basically. I'm not sure why this happened. So I need to do a bit of cleanup on my hard drive and fix stuff, even though I thought I had fixed this already. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, now we get a crash report. What's the problem? Okay, now this is corrupted. Yeah, okay, makes sense. If it crashes when we work on it and want to save it, then it makes sense that it is corrupted. Do I have a file for that? Let's see. No, I don't have a data file for this. So we can't recover this from a data file. Awesome. Let's delete this. Let's see if we have a backup of this in here somewhere. Nope. No backups. Because I'm in the wrong project. Backups. No. No backup of that. Yeah, okay, then we need to delete it and recreate it. Though we might be able to get it back from source control. Yep. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think I will shut this down and try to figure this out and try to fix all this, but offline. So, quite short stream for the evening today. It spreads kind of. I can't even open the project, but yeah, it opens and crashes. Even though I have made backups, set source control and all that stuff, and I'm kind of done for today, basically. I don't want to do anything more. Maybe try to fix it offline, but nothing much I can do on the project that would be interesting. The only thing I could do is just copy over files, hope that they will work. Try to work with source control and roll back stuff, but let's see, maybe we can do stuff. Yeah, it's not that important. So it's yeah, the biggest problem is that it crashed while saving stuff, and every time that happens, breaks more than it should. I mean, I had sorry about that. I had similar issues with Unity, but easier ways to recover from it, as far as I remember. So, not quite sure. There we go. Insertion failed. Yeah. The problem is this morning I didn't have backups and source control and stuff like that. I set all this up this afternoon and now it crashed while saving stuff and now I can't do anything anymore. The problem is I don't have that option. Basically, I can't just pack up and move on. I have too much invested in that damn project. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think I will stop for today and try to figure this out and then tweet about it later. Okay. Bye bye. It's not that I need to calm down, it's that the project needs to work. That's the problem. I'm mostly calm, so yeah. Just, yeah. Okay, I'm shutting up now. Bye bye.